February is a bridge between the harshness of winter and the promise of spring. It is the perfect time to show your home some love. Here are 10 essential maintenance tips to protect your investment and prepare your property for the changing season. Keep an eye on your roofline. If you see thick ridges of ice forming at the edge of your roof or icicles hanging from gutters, you may have ice dams. These can force melting water under your shingles and into your home. Safely remove snow from the roof edge with a roof rake to prevent them. Your heating system has been working hard all winter. A dirty filter restricts airflow, forcing the furnace to run longer and increasing your energy bills. Swap out your HVAC filter this month to improve indoor air quality and keep your system efficient. Spring rains and melting snow are just around the corner. You need to know your sump pump is ready before the water rises. Pour a bucket of water into the sump pit to ensure the float rises and the pump activates immediately to drain the water. Winter often means heavier clothes and more lint. A clogged dryer vent is a major fire hazard and forces your dryer to work harder. Disconnect the vent from the back of the machine and vacuum out the ductwork to keep your home safe and efficient. With windows closed and heaters running, the risk of carbon monoxide poisoning is higher in winter. Test all your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors this month to ensure the batteries are fresh and the units are functioning correctly. Winter storms and heavy snow can damage shingles or flashing. On a clear day, do a visual inspection of your roof from the ground using binoculars. Look for missing, cracked, or shifting shingles that might cause leaks when the spring rains arrive. Your refrigerator works 24/7. Dust and pet hair build up on the condenser coils, usually located at the bottom or back of the unit, making it struggle to stay cool. Vacuuming these coils takes 5 minutes, but can significantly extend the life of your appliance. If you feel cold air near your windows, your caulking may have cracked or shrunk in the cold weather. Inspect the exterior and interior seals around your windows and doors. Recaulking these gaps now will keep the heat in and lower your utility bills. Grease and food particles can solidify in your disposal during the colder months, leading to bad odors. Run a tray of ice cubes and some lemon peels through the disposal while running cold water to sharpen the blades and freshen the drain. February is the ideal time to prune deciduous trees and shrubs while they are still dormant. Removing dead or crossing branches now promotes healthy growth in the spring and prevents weak limbs from falling during late winter storms. Consistent maintenance is the key to a happy, healthy home. If you find issues that are too big to handle yourself or need professional help with your home projects, trust the experienced team at Vista Contractors. Visit bvcontractors.com today.